Okay, here's a simple solution for adding text-to-speech for ChatGPT if you're using a Google Chrome browser. First of all, go to Google search and search for this extension called SpeakIt. Once you're here, click on the first link and click the blue button to add the extension to your browser. Once the extension has been added, you can go back to ChatGPT and get some sentences that you want to test out. So let's do that. Now that we have some text, all that's left to do is select the sentences that we want to play back. Right click, and as you can see, there's a newly tab here called SpeakIt. So that's the plugin, and click on it.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog is a sentence often used in typography to showcase fonts and lettering.
As you can hear, it works pretty good. Keep in mind that you can tweak and customize this plugin a little bit. If you go to this little puzzle icon over here, that is extensions. Go to SpeakIt and click on the three dots. Click on options, and now you're in the options menu. So you can change the voices. There's a few to choose from. Let's try out Microsoft Zyra. And also you can change the speaking rate of the voice and the speaking pitch, I guess. So let's ramp up the pitch, the rate, excuse me, and let's keep the pitch as it is, and let's make it a little bit louder. And also there's a shortcut setting that once you select the text, you can just click on the shortcut that you choose and you get a playback without right mouse clicking. Let's go back to ChatGPT and test it out one more time.
The universe is vast and full of wonders. From the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies, there is so much to explore and discover. Scientists have been studying the universe for centuries, and yet we have only scratched the surface of its mysteries.
And that's it. That is how you can easily implement text-to-speech for ChatGPT. If this video was helpful in any way, please consider subscribing. And that's it, and good luck.